hard times, where to run and hide. Seems he occupied, oh, my peace of mind. We'll get into darkness, and then deeper in the shade. You always got reasons, and there are some still to be made. We'll want another more. Now we heading to the shore. Some sweet jazz floating away. Get into darkness, and then deeper in the shade. You always got reasons, and there are some still to be made. We are one another more. Now we're heading for the shore. Some sweet jazz floating away. There we go. Nice. Alright, I'd say we did it. Now that'll burn down and should be easy to boil some water with. That's a nice little thin piece you got there, sir.
Yeah.
Spatula making time. Well, we've been productive this morning. Haven't even had our coffee yet, and yesterday we needed some spatulas for that steak. So boom, problem solved. There we go. Look at those bad boys. Nice. All right. It feels like it should be sturdy. Got a There we go. Boil some water. Once again, perfect cup of coffee, pre-mixed. Just had 12 ounces of hot water, sugar, French vanilla creamer, and Folgers crystals. Delicious. All right, water's almost boiled. We're gonna be having some oatmeal this morning and some coffee, and I'm gonna bust out the little griddles and have some Spam. Yummy. Is that enough? Is that enough? No, no, okay. Who's this guy? Glorious Spam. Making another bannock. Good stuff. Good boil. Coffee time.
Good boil.
All right. Well then. There we go. So this coat hanger seemed to do the trick. There we go. Just some pressure from the other sides. Just at the top, no problem at all. Whew. There we go. Coffee time. That'll work nicely. There we go. Just how I like it. Drop it down. So add a little hot water. And stir it up. Let it sit a minute. Be all set to eat. Some of this could turn into fish bait. I don't know how much they'd like it. There we go. Cooking, cooking, cooking. There we go. There you go. Perfect view. Oh yeah. This spatula's nice.
Yeah.
Nothing like some hot meat.
Oh, that's what she said.
That's what she said. All right. Nothing like a little hike. And maybe we can saw down that tree in the way of the path. Because we're nice like that. That'll save us next time.
doing a little community service. That's what it's all about. Hold on.
This thing's nice, man. There, that'll do. All right, here's another one I'm gonna have to look up. You can see these funguses growing all the way up that tree, but they're nice and white looking. I'm gonna have to find out what those are. I guess I could knock that down. It's obviously dying if I wanted to get a few, but yeah, oh, that's pretty cool stuff. I wonder what that is. Let me know if you know. Otherwise, I'll look it up for myself. Whew. Oh, excuse me. There we go. Just finished about a 2.5 mile hike and relaxing in the hammock again. Whew, man, it's a beautiful day out here. So full from breakfast, I'm thinking it's going to be a long time before we have lunch. Oh man, beautiful. So, just for the record, we're saying these are not blueberries. Sad face.
I used to take it everywhere now. I'm more of a keep it in my truck, but
Yeah.
I took it out of my truck for this trip.
Out of down trees while we've been here. That's why we cleared the one on the main path. Up and down, up and down. There we go.
Hey, it's almost a duck down there.
I know, I see a couple things sticking out. Yeah, there was. And there's our camp.
As this one takes off.
Reckon that'll do.
Yeah.
Some nice dry dead wood right there.
Yeah, I split it all up.
Good old Tom from Sac Survival is going to give us our mountain house choices because I failed to catch fish. Although, I'm not done yet. I just couldn't stand out in the sun.
We have Italian style pepper steak. We have chili mac with beef. And we have lasagna with meat sauce.
Chili mac and beef or lasagna with meat sauce. One of those two. What is it going to be?
Don't make no difference to me. Let's go with chili mac.
All right, chili mac it is.
I don't know where I put my glove.
Time to mix the biscuits. I'm sure what we got going on. A little extra water ain't going to hurt either.
Yeah. Just pour it out the front, yeah.
Looks good.
Yeah.
All right, and mix.
If you need any more.
Mix, 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 mix. Stole some of your oil because it was there. Mine's in the bag. Circle the grease around in there. You want to bring your thing over and grease it up, and we'll get some biscuits in there?
Yeah. Mine's a little hot.
Sure we're not a flash. Nice and greasy. There you go. You want some?
Yeah, I'll be right there. These smell really enjoy with you.
More where that came from. Like toothpaste.
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
There we go. That'll have to do.
Well, that'll do. Thank you.
Did you mean to throw out your sponge?
Yeah. Put it in there.
There we go. All right, fun stuff. Just gave the biscuits their first flip, looking golden and delicious. Meanwhile, over here, Chili Mac's sitting in the bag with the boiling water. A few more minutes, we'll give that a stir. And we're getting hungry, so this will be good. Look at that. That's just gorgeous. What do I know about heat? That's amazing, man.
Tilt yours up and I'll pour some in.
Sure.
That way it doesn't get all over your...
Eating with my spoon, my awesome spoon. There we go. Oh, let me grab yours here.
Mine's good. I'll just dump it in. It's got a good lean to it.
Look at that. Those biscuits look perfect, man. You did an awesome job. All right. All right. Bon appetit.
Nice.
All right. So, Camp Trace Chili Mac. Good. Instant garlic biscuits. Good. But instant garlic biscuits and Chili Mac together. Amazing. Oh. Definitely eat this again. Well, one more night hike before we have to pack up and go home tomorrow. All right.
Just look around. You need wood to make a fire, and trees are made out of wood.
That's totally going online. Oh, we just got done with our final night hike. I'm sweating my butt off. So we just stoked up our closing fire. We're gonna relax out here till we burn all the wood and hit the hay. And we're gonna get up in the morning, break camp, and sadly head out of town. But if you watched any of it, all of it, thanks for watching with my buddy Tom from Sac Survival and Dale with F&D Outdoors. Let's get outside.
Thank you.
There we go. Camp's all cleaned up. Less than a campfire for the next guy. Tables apart. No trash left behind. Leave no trace, people. Leave no trace. And here we go. The sad, sad walk. I want to say, by the time we're all said and done, about 10 to 12 miles of hiking, and then whatever we walked around in between, gathering firewood, etc., etc. Nice.